Evening, sir. My name is Rohini Shahaji Chaugule. Today's date is 18 July and today's video topic is string in Java. Generally, the string is a sequence of character, but in Java, the string is an object that represents a sequence of character. The Java.language string class is used to create a string. Then a string is a sequence of character. For example, the hello, it is a string of 5 character. In Java, is a string is immutable object. It means the we constant and it cannot be changed once it is created. Then there are two ways to create a string object, by using literal and by using the new keyword. First, by using a literal, for example, string str is equal to in double quote welcome. The problem with this approach, I will start the beginning that string is object in Java. However, we cannot be created any string object using a new keyword. Then the compiler does not that task for us. It is a created object having the string literal that we have the provided. Then in this case is a welcome and assign the string is a provided string instance. But if the object is already exist in this memory, then it does not create a new object, rather it assign the same old object that the new instance. That means even the through the we have the two string instance, that is first string 1 and string 2. Then the compiler only created only one string object having the value welcome, because it is assigned the same of both instance. For example, there are 10 string instance that have the same value. It means that in the memory there is only one object having the value, and all 10 strings instance would be pointing to the that same object. Then if you want to have two different object with the same string, for that we would need to create a string using new keyword. As the that we have to try to assign the same string object with two different literals. Compiler only created one object and made both of the literal to point the same object. Then the object and made both of the literals to point at the same object. To overcome that the approach, we can create the string string 1 is equal to new string that is welcome, and string 2 is equal to new string welcome. In this case, compiler would be created two different object in the memory having the same string. Then the whenever a string object is created as a literal, the object will be created in the string constant pool. In this allows JVM to the optimize the initialize to the string literal. For example, the string 1 is a welcome. In this string can also declared using the new operator, that is the dynamically allocated. In case of the string is dynamically allocated, they are assigned a new memory location in the heap memory. This string will not be added in string constant pool. Then string buffer class. The string buffer is a pair of class string that is provided much of the functionality of the string. The string is represent fixed the length immutability of a string. The string is a represent while the string buffer is represents global and returnable character sequence. Then the syntax of the string buffer is the string buffer object is a is equal to string buffer. In this string is in double quote welcome. Then the string builder. In the string builder in Java, represents a mutable sequence, mutable number of the character enclosed in this object. Then since the string class is a Java creates the immutable sequence of character, and the string builder class provided an alternate to the string class. Then it is created the mutable sequence of character. And the syntax of the string builder is the string builder object is a is equal to string builder method. Thank you.